Hello everyone. If you want to send entire sticker packs to someone on WhatsApp, update the app and follow the steps I'm about to show you. First, open WhatsApp and go to the chat with the person you want to send the sticker pack to. Then, click on the sticker icon. To be able to send a sticker pack, you first need to have it in your stickers collection. So, I'll add one of the sticker packs now. Find the stickers you want and click on the plus icon at the bottom to view them. A new screen will open, displaying all the stickers in this pack. Click on the green button at the bottom of the screen. Now that the selected stickers are available in your collection, open them. At this point, you'll notice that the 3 dots option is now accessible here. Click on it. Then, select the Send option. This is a new feature, so make sure your WhatsApp is updated. A preview of the sticker pack message will appear. Send it as you would any regular message. The recipient will see the same message in the chat. When they click on View Sticker Pack, all the stickers from the pack will be displayed, and they'll be able to add the pack by clicking the green button at the bottom of the screen. I hope this video helped you. If it did, like and share it. Subscribe to our channel for more similar tutorials.